So have you ever seen a micro tomato tower? It's a great idea that Kate had for our little free garden here at the Urban Nano Farm, where I'm going to plant micro tomatoes. And you know, I love some micro tomatoes. I'm going to plant this tower full of micro tomatoes. And so we're going to have this huge amount of tomatoes out here for the neighborhood. Horticulturist Gary Bachman, and I just wanted to show off the newest little growing toy that I have here at the Urban Nano Farm. This is a garden tower. Garden tower, it's a slick system, and I'm going to show you how easy it is to put one of these together so that you can have it in your yard too. Hang on, let me just show you how. Well, listen, that's all it takes to put the different layers of this garden tower together. And I've got to figure out the irrigation on it because I want to automate that. And when I get around to planting here in the next couple weeks, I'll show you how easy it is to plant. But I like this. It's going to be out here in our little free garden, and look at it. How easy that spins, and you can turn it around, and we'll be growing in all the levels. These are the micro tomatoes that I grew this year. They're already flowering. This is what, April 11th, one day after my birthday, by the way. But look at those transplants. You get great transplants growing in the Bootstrap Farmer. These are the 4-cell with the air pruning cuts on them, so you don't get all those circling roots in there. And I'm just going to go ahead and, there's not enough room to put the max bit in here, so I'm just going to be potting up and planting by hand. And hey, wish me luck. We'll see how it goes. Everybody's got some water, and I'm just going to go ahead and just water through the top like this, because all these trays open up into the tray below it. So, and with that, we got her all done. Here's a question for you. Would you ever consider doing something like this in your garden? Or would your significant other even allow you to do this in your garden? Put the comments in the, below. I'd love to see everybody's thoughts on this. Uh-oh, the boss is here to look at my handiwork. Oh boy. All right, there's one vote, one positive vote. Okay. And like everything I do here at the Nano Farm, this is real world gardening. Hey, let's grow better together, okay? We'll see ya.